In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix MoneyGram application not working. So if MoneyGram application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. First of all, try checking your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. Also try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, there might be some problem with the application itself. So what you have to do is simply try updating the app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for MoneyGram and you'll be able to see the results over here. Right now this application is not available in my region, but what you have to do is tap on the application MoneyGram. After you do that, tap on the option update and your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the app. For that, launch open app library of your device. Now find the application for MoneyGram and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the app info interface of MoneyGram. You'll be able to see various options over here. Tap on this option storage and cache. Now over here you can see two options, clear storage, clear cache. So what you have to do is tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now the cache of the application will be cleared and your application should start working. If your application still does not work, try uninstalling the application and install it again. After you do that, the problem will be solved. But sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. There might be some temporary software glitches. So what you have to do is simply long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. So that is how you fix MoneyGram application not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.